Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After create a page for an ID card design, go to the element and search for a white texture. Let's find a texture like this. Let's take this texture, rotate it and place it to the background. And now take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the upper section of the page. Change the color in blue gradient. Now let's paste the curve. Press Alt and copy this curve and flip it horizontally and adjust it like this. From the element, search blue curve. Let's take this curve and adjust it on the lower section of the page. From the element, search a frame. Let's take this round frame. Now for the frame, search a corporate domain picture. Let's take this picture, make it bigger and adjust it with the frame. Give it a border. Give the border color in white. Border white in 3. Take a text box and type the name. Change the font style. Take another text box and type the designation. Make it a medium and adjust it under the name. Paste the details of the ID cards. From the element, search a barcode and adjust it under the details. Now select all the things and make them a center element. Now search logo for a company. Let's take the logo and take a text box and type the company name. Bold the details name. Now paste the same background on the back page and then the same bottom border. Select the shape and the bottom shape together and adjust it on the back page. Change the color of the shape, match with the curve shape. Adjust the logo on the second page. Take a text box and type the terms and conditions. Change the color in white. Paste the terms and conditions. Take a text box and type the name of a CEO. Take a text box and type the CEO name and make them a handwriting font so that it look like a signature. Here it is, a ID card design for a corporate company. If you need this kind of design or any other design like flyer design, brochure design, pitch decks, presentation design, you can contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.